Hey, real quick, let me show y'all something. Hurry up. Hurry up. All right, check this out. We have Mercedes-Benz. We have Park Place Motors, a Mercedes-Benz dealership. Listen to this. Mercedes-Benz is a $1 billion brand. I'm going to repeat myself. Mercedes-Benz is a $1 billion brand. But guess what's behind Mercedes-Benz? That big old brand. There's a person. There's one individual behind that brand when that brand started. That individual had to receive investments. People had to invest in that brand for that brand to be worth $1 billion. Now let's put yourself in the driver's seat. Let's put the real life perspective on this. What if you were a $1 billion brand and you didn't even know it? What if your next big opportunity is going to come based on how you display your brand? People will invest in you as much as they view you as being worth investing in. You dig what I'm saying? So if you're not carrying yourself and operating as a brand worth being invested in, you'll never receive an investment. You'll never receive that job promotion. You'll never receive that big job. You'll never receive that scholarship. You'll never receive that opportunity if you're not displaying yourself as a brand that deserves an investment, like Mercedes-Benz.